If you've ever tried to clean up your Amazon account, you've probably wondered if you can delete your order history. Today, I'm going to walk you through the updated steps for December on what you can do to keep past purchases out of sight. It's quick, simple, and anyone can do it. Once you're logged into your Amazon account, head to the top right corner and click Returns and Orders. This opens your full order history. Now, here's the important part. Amazon still doesn't allow users to permanently delete order history, at least not yet. But what you can do is hide an order by archiving it, which removes it from your main order list. Scroll through your orders and find the item you want to hide. At the bottom of that order, you'll see a link that says Archive Order. Click it, and a small pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. Just select Archive Order again. Once you do that, the item instantly disappears from your visible order history. You can repeat this for any other items you want to tuck away. Maybe gifts, personal purchases, or anything you just don't want front and center. All archived orders are moved to a separate, less noticeable section, keeping your main list clean. And that's all there is to it. Hopefully, Amazon adds a true delete feature one day, but for now, this is the best way to clear up your account. If this walkthrough helped you out, feel free to hit the like button and subscribe. It really supports the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.